Good morning, guys. Look what came. And it's a huge box. So this is month 2. Gonna open it and show you all the good things that I got. There's some new things in here. There's some things I haven't had in a while. So this is an exciting box, this one. All right, so let's get started. So let's just dive right into this box with a protein bar. Silky peanut butter bar. You guys know I love this one. The consistency of it being so chewy is what I love the most. Drizzled chocolate fudge bar. Again, another item that I really can't go a whole month without. This I haven't had in quite a while, and I decided to jump into it. It's the S'mores Bar, the Campfire S'mores Bar. I loved it at one point. Then at another point, I was tired of it. Haven't had it in a while, so decided to go with a box of those. And this is my, I'm living off of these lately. The peanut butter bars. Oh my gosh. I see. Let me see. Wait a minute. All right, I'm going to show you something I've never, ever ordered before. Ever. And I'm excited to try it. It is the pineapple mango smoothie. Now, this is the old MetaFast. This is before Optavia. So I was always hesitant to order these because I was under the impression that there was Splenda in them. But when I was looking on the website, I didn't see Splenda listed. I don't know what kind of sweetener they use, but that wasn't listed on here. I'm still looking on here and I don't see it. So I don't know what they use for sweetener. But regardless, this is only 100 calories as opposed to the good old standby chocolate shake. I have like 1 or 2 of these every day, and these are 110 calories. And I'm looking for something pineapple mango. I don't know, this might taste like the tropical smoothie by Essential line. I'm not really sure, but I'm looking forward to trying it. And I'll save another one that I've never tried before for just a little bit. All right, so you saw the creamy chocolate shake. This is the second box I got of those. And welcome to the third box because I love these so much. Cannot have a month without my chocolate shakes, and therefore we went with 4 boxes of chocolate shake this month. Typically I do that because, again, I have 1 or 2 of them every day. Went with the sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. I had none left. This is going to be great because I love these as waffle fries. I make them in my waffle maker. If you haven't seen a past video, it is something you should check out because it literally tastes like Chick-fil-A waffle fries. And this is something I haven't had in a while either, the chocolate chip pancake. I'm thinking of making waffles out of these. I'm not such a huge fan as far as like making them into pancakes in the pan. They come out very thin. I just don't like it. I like a thick pancake. So I think with my hack with the egg beaters in the water, this might make a nice sized waffle. And it does have chocolate chips in there. So I think when you make the waffle, they'll be melty and delicious. All right, here's an item. I think I may have had this 2 years ago. I can't recall, but I haven't had it since. There we go, everybody. The frosted cookie dough bar. I know this doesn't have like a huge punch of flavor, but it has the consistency of those peanut butter bars that I like, and it has that vanilla frosting. Something new to try, right? Branch out. All right, da-da-da-da. This is a product I've never had, never tried. Excited to do so. It's another MetaFast product, Ziti Marinara. I don't know if this is similar to the tomato herb pasta by the Essential line. It might be the same thing. I'm not really sure, but if you look at the ingredients on both, there are some slight differences. So we'll try this one out. This one actually looks really good. So we'll see. So that's 2 MetaFast products, right? The pineapple shake and the Ziti marinara. I'm gonna do like a comparison review when I taste them to see if they're similar to the Essential line. Okay, so we got another, I shouldn't say another box, a box of what I always refer to as the pizza flavored Cheez-Its. These are called the Zesty, Cheddar, and Italian Herb Crunchers. If you didn't watch my video on how to make air fried breaded chicken nuggets, you missed out, and you better go check it out, because I use this feeling to make breading with when I make chicken nuggets. And you can make chicken parm, and I think that was my intention. I was gonna make like a pizza chicken and crust it with those. So watch out for that video. Can't not have an order without at least one box of brownie mix, because they're so good. And oh, I never tried this product. Here's another one I haven't tried before and excited to do so. Remember the other night when I made the mint ice cream? Okay, this one is coffee flavored soft serve. Now, why I didn't order this when I first started 2 years ago is because I was very sensitive to caffeine. And this does not have any, and this has caffeine in it. So you have to be super, super careful if you are sensitive to caffeine. This will give you a little bit of a buzz. Moving right along, haven't had this in a while, although I used a pouch of it the other day. I had one left. Chili. I love this, especially now that the weather's starting to change a little bit. We're starting to get, not some cooler days, but yeah, some cooler days. It's out of the hundreds. Down into the 80s. Last night was like 70, so it was nice. So kind of getting the bug for some chili. Got another box of the cinnamon cream cheese swirl cake. I love this stuff. It's fantastic as waffles. It's great in a mug. It's great in the ramekin it comes in. I like to put a little bit of Laughing Cow on that. You'll see how I make it. All right. And then I got a box of BBQ Crunchers. Again, these are portable. You can use them as breading. I love them. So we definitely have Crunchers here for my chicken parmesan or my pizza chicken or what have you. And that is my order. Believe it or not, that was like a whole month's worth of food. So quite a few new things. The coffee soft serve, brand new to me. Pineapple mango smoothie, which I'm actually gonna go make right now. Haven't had that ever. Ziti Marinara, haven't had that ever. Excited. All my creamy chocolate shakes. So tell me in the comments below what one of these feelings you've never tried. I'm curious to see what people don't try, because those are the things that I like to know when I place my own order. Is this something that nobody likes? Is it something everybody likes? We all know everybody likes the brownies. We all know everybody, that's like, I think, a cult favorite. I think everyone likes the brownie. I don't think I've ever heard anyone say they didn't. So, sorry that this is so quick, guys. But that was a whole month of food on Optavia, right? We buy a whole month of food. The only thing that we are in charge of doing is making a lean and green meal, and you can have that for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It doesn't have to be dinner. You can make a big egg omelet and some vegetables for breakfast. You can have something in the middle of the day for lunch or dinner. I don't often use it as breakfast, but I do often use it as fueling number 3, which would be smack in the middle of my day. Most of the time it's at night, because I like to have that fullness feeling when I sit down at night to relax, so I'm not craving munchy kind of stuff. So that's the scoop, and that's the unboxing. I'm going to have one of these. I will do a little review and post it in my Instagram stories for you so you can see. And thanks for watching. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, get over there and do it, because I post every single day, all the time, multiple times, and you won't miss a trick. Right, Paisley? We're waiting for the air conditioner man to come. We had no air all night long. It's so hot in this house. I can't take it. I'm spoiled. All right. I love you all. Stay focused. And guys, thank you so much for all of your heartfelt condolences. We did have a death in the family, totally unexpected. It has been an emotional toll on all of us. But as a family, we're pulling together, and we're gonna help one another out emotionally over this. So thank you all. Appreciate all your love. I felt it big time. So love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.